Okay guys, today we're gonna upgrade my late 2011 MacBook Pro. So we're gonna use a 240 gig SSD and what's that? I think that's 8 gigs DDR. So what we're gonna try to accomplish is, this is how long it takes to come on. I just pushed the button. This is already factory reset and signed in, so I'll show y'all how long it takes for this to load up. Alright, so when that finished coming on, I'm going to show y'all the specs. You see how slow it is? There you go. Let's see if I can zoom in. (13-inch) late 2011, 2.4 gigahertz i5 and Mac High Sierra. Alright, so storage, we have a 500 gig regular hard drive, memory 4 gig install, 2 gig each, and what we're about to do is upgrade it. So we're gonna shut down, and we'll be back when I get prepped. Alright, we're back. Now what we're gonna do, turn the laptop upside down, and we have 10 screws to take out. So let's get started. They ain't all dirty. Oh, okay, alright. Bottom case over. Now, before you do anything, right here, pull that. That's for the battery. You don't want no power going to this board. Alright, so what we're doing today is the memory and the hard drive. Memory, hard drive. Alright, so let's get started. Easy. First thing first, these two tabs, pull it up, pull it sideways, and it'll release your memory. Take that out. Facing up, put this one on the bottom, push down, facing up, put this one on top. Yep, all done. Now, hard drive. Take these screws out. Well, I don't think these screws gonna come out. It's just inside this little clamp right here. 2 screws. Pull it up a little bit. Take the hard drive out. Now, with this hard drive, you're gonna have to take these 4 screws off and put it in the new hard drive. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna do that now. I think I messed up here. Let's see. Let's try this one. Those are not Phillips head, not the same one that you use to open a MacBook. That's where I messed up at. There we go. A T5 is what you're gonna need for this job. And I'm gonna show you once I get this screw in there. There you go. See, put it in there. Yeah. When you got the right tools, everything gonna work smoothly. Alright, this hard drive is not junk. I'm actually gonna use this. Next video, I am gonna take the CD-ROM out and replace it with this. Alright, SSD time. Bow. Whew. Bow. Feel like a toy. Paperweight. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these little screws in the golden section. Then we put it back in. Please be careful with this ribbon. I should have said that in the beginning of this video because it is very fragile. Alright, bow. Now let's screw her down. Oh, not a T5. This is actually a PH00. And my upgrade is complete. Don't forget to plug your battery back in. Alright. Case. Actually, this look crazy. I'm gonna have to put a new one of those on there, but that'll be another time video. Alright, let's put these screws back in. We're done. Alright, so let me turn it around and I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. So what we're gonna do now is, first of all, plug the computer into a power source. Let me find that. There we go. And then we're gonna turn it on. Command. I think it's hold down option. And am I right? Yes, it is. go over to there. So what I'm installing on here now is Yosemite. Lion was too old. It would have worked, but I don't want Lion. I really don't want Yosemite. I want High Sierra. Alright, so we just gonna go through this. I have all my OS saved onto an external disk, so if anything go wrong, I can just do that instead of the internet recovery, which is real slow, as y'all seen a few minutes ago. Alrighty, so before we do anything, we want to go to disk utility, and there it goes, our external, our SSD. So we're gonna erase, and we're gonna name it. I always name all my Mac hard drive HD. Make sure you are on the 240 and not your externals. Alright, so then we go to erase and go. And we're ready. So now we're gonna exit out of here, and then we're gonna go to continue, continue, agree, pick your HD disk, and go. 12 minutes. Alright, okay. Could not be configured. What's going on? Try this again. Alright, we'll come back to that. See what's going on. Do not transfer, continue. I name all of them owners. I don't want a password, which they're gonna tell me I need to pick one anyways. Don't do none of these. Wow. And she's alive. So let's see what we did today. About. You see how fast that came up? Alright, so now we're looking at 2.4 gigs i5, 8 gigs RAM, SSD, memory 44, and we're gonna have to set the clock because when we unplug the battery. But other than that, we are good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna shut this down, and then I'm gonna restart it with a side-by-side on how long it takes to boot up now. And it's shut down. So go. That was quick. And we're ready. And I'm out.